Scotty's not fapping, but the bolt's behaving because he needs a fat guy to sit on the door opening.
Yes! Woohoo!
This is the happiest I've seen Scotty in like at least 5
Going
minutes.
down. Going down, buddy.
Do you need fat guy to get up now? Are we in?
Now
he's beating it. He's gently tapping.
no ugga-dugga either.
That's good.
No ugga-dugga.
Can I get up?
You can get up, sir.
Hooray!
It's in, baby! Woohoo!
All right, that feels good.
Scotty ecstatic!
Shock next, real quick,
Yes! Yeah, oh, that's right! Shock! Woohoo!
and then I guess
Then we do the other side.
Now we got a system. I think we're gonna be all right.
Do me a favor, work.
You want me to
Work it, girl.
You want me to work a girl and jack off?
Mm-hmm. Let me tell you. Keep
Here's-
going, keep it going, keep it going. We gotta go up, baby. Up, up.
Using my
Uggy duggies.
fucking
Ooh.
left arm here.
Okay, now go sit in the car again.
Oh fuck. Whoop. Fat guy in a little car. We're having fun. Sorry for the jerkiness of the video. I just got here. It's been a rough morning. Oh well, fuck it. It's fine. Everything's fine.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Fine. Fine. I think my deodorant already wore off. Or I forgot to do it this morning. Is it working? We have a happy Scotty. I'll tell you.
Uno momento, por favor.
Un momento, por favor. That was Spanish, but I used an Italian accent. I don't know.
I know, right?
What the fuck's wrong with me? Spanish, Italian.
It's all the same
pretty
fucking
much the
thing.
same fucking thing. Close enough. That's a tough. If I had to pick one food to eat,
Ready? Don't move.
yeah. If I had to pick Mexican food or Italian food, and I could only have
That
one or
would
the
be,
other,
that
that's
would,
hard.
agreed, that would be tough.
That's a tough one. But I think I'd be like, I like spaghetti better than fideo. So
I don't know what I
Maybe-
would do.
maybe the fideo I had just sucked.
It's possible. I mean, linguine and clam sauce.
I can't have clam sauce. I'll die.
Any seafood?
I won't eat anything out of the water.
Why?
Shellfish I'm allergic to, but I don't.
I think if it's prepared properly, you might like it. And because I know, like,
I haven't eaten.
I
fish
won't
in
do
20 years.
pineapple. I fucking hate pineapple.
Oh, I'll eat
Cannot
fucking 5 gallons of
stand
pineapple.
Glenn made dinner the other night
With pineapple?
with pineapple in it. Guess what Scotty ate willingly?
Pineapple?
Pineapple.
No, makes
And
sense.
I went back for seconds.
Wow. Yeah, shellfish will actually kill me though. So
Okay, so
that's why I don't eat fish. 'Cause
one
I'm like,
good bumpity,
Yeah.
and everything will be all set. I just got to tighten up the bolt for the top,
Uh-huh.
and then this whole side is done,
Okay.
and we can start working on the driver's side.
Yay!
With that being done, we'll cut the fuel hose to match so we can have, I want to do a little bit extra, so we've got room for jiggly wiggly whatever.
Fiddly fucky time.
Yep. Fiddly faddly whatever.
Oh,
Get that
excuse
done.
me.
Get the tank plumbed and in. I'll have you do the wiring. I'll figure out what to do with the non-existent side marker lights all around the damn car. And if everything goes now according to the new plan of the day, we will have the back half of this car done within the next 2 hours. Ish.
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 All right, so far so good. Carry on.